Hi. So, we got a sponsor.
I started from the bottom and now I'm rich. I got in my bag and I ain't looked back since. I started to say sorry, but you started out hating, now you love my drip.
Yes, I'm so excited. It's my first sponsor. So, yeah. So I was actually approached by two companies recently. And the first one was a little bit sketchy. So I really didn't want to bring that to y'all. I really wasn't interested. But this brand, Nail Addict, I was definitely interested. I checked them out. I researched them. I did my spy search and my Googles. So, yeah, I was definitely interested in them because they mainly sell gel polish and they are vegan and cruelty free. So that's a plus. That's great for all you vegans out there interested. Anyone looking for vegan cruelty free nail polish, definitely recommend them. And gel polish is one of the most important things in, let me sit up straight. Try not to have a hunchback in the future. So, yeah, but gel polish is one of the most important things in the press-on nail industry. Like one of the most. Now, I'm not saying it's the most, but it's one of the most important things because it's something that you're going to be using on a day-to-day basis. Use it to create your designs. It definitely adds strength to the nail. So gel polish is, gel polish is pretty important. And I'm not brand dedicated. Like I dibble and dabble. I like to use different gel polishes and figure out what I like the best. I personally like a thick, like not a thick polish, but a very opaque polish. Like if I can get away with doing one coat and it be extremely opaque and beautiful, that's great. I like a base coat. These are just some tips. I like a base coat that is going to fill in any rough marks. Like when you sand a nail down, even if you're doing a regular nail, like when you buff the nail to apply the base coat, I want that base coat to like fill in all of that, all those scratches, and then I want it to also, be able to help make the polish last longer. So, and then my top coat, the top coat can either be no wipe or wipe. I personally prefer a no wipe top coat just because it makes your life easier, it's just quicker. And Nail Addict has fulfilled all of my little check marks when I'm looking for a good gel polish. So I'm a fan and hopefully you're a fan. And after this video, if you want to check out any of the polishes that I got, I left a link down in the description to each and every one of the polishes. And then you can use code Jazzie for 45% off. So, yeah, go ahead and do that. Go ahead and do that. So, what else? Oh, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button because I see like way more than percent I would care to say is not subscribed, but you watch. So just hit the subscribe button because it's free. Hit the subscribe button because I'm asking. Hit the subscribe button because I'm saying please. Hit the subscribe button because you're going to get 45% off from nail polish from Nail Addict. So let's get to the video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Okay, so these are the polishes that I got from Nail Addict. I got the top coat, the base coat, and 3 different colors. So let's get to swatching. Okay, so I got the top coat, and this one is the wipe top coat. They also have a no wipe top coat. This is the base coat. And here is this shimmery nude called Perfect Tan. And then this is Pearl River. And Pinot Noir. Got my little swatch sticks. And I didn't know which one I wanted to do first. I wanted to save Perfect Tan for last because I knew I was in love with that one. But this one is Pinot Noir. It's like a wine color. I guess it's a Pinot Noir color. I don't drink wine. I don't know. So let's see. Let's see. She's a little dusty. Ignore that. I love that the color is at the top of the bottle, so when you store it, if you store it the way that I do, it's super helpful. But look at that color. Oh my goodness. It's got like some goldish flakes in there. Not flakes, but like some goldish reflective tones in there. It's a really smooth application. It's not really gritty like a lot of glittery polishes. Not like this is glittery, but it does have some hints of glitter in there, and it's not gritty at all. It's really smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and cure that. And these cure in 30 to 45 seconds under an LED light and 1 to 2 minutes under a UV light. So it just depends on what kind of light you have. And now I'm just gonna go in with my second coat. Ooh. So again, this is the Pinot Noir after 2 coats, and I didn't cure it yet, but you can really see like the gold in there. It's really like a really pretty, like a, I guess it's a Pinot Noir color. So now I'm gonna top coat it. And again, I got the top coat that you need to cleanse after you cure it, but they also have the no wipe top coat available as well. So it's just your preference. So I'm just wiping off the sticky layer with a gel cleanser, and look at that shine. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so let's get to the next color. That was Pinot Noir. Now let's do Pearl River. Ooh, look at that. This one's really creamy. And at this point, I had to stop and smell these polishes because they smell really good. I didn't see on the website that they're supposed to be scented, but these smell really good. Yeah, I hope I'm not weird, but it's definitely it's definitely something that stood out to me. It's not super strong, but I just noticed it because it's right in front of my face. And I am obsessed with this color payout because it is super, super opaque. Like you could do 1 coat of this and be good. And I love polishes like that. And again, oh my gosh, look at that. This one is Pearl River. It's so pretty. And this is just 1 coat. So we're going to go ahead and cure that. And I think I'm just going to do 1 coat. Yeah, I just did 1 coat of that. And it looks so good. I can see myself doing this in a matte in the future. I don't know what it is with me and blue mattes. I'm obsessed with blue mattes right now. So again, look, it's so shiny. It's so pretty. All from one coat. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. And I saved this one for last because I just knew I was gonna love it. And this one's called Perfect Tan. And at the time of this recording, it's currently not in stock, but you can get notified when it gets back in stock. And I recommend you doing that because look, I'm just obsessed. I'm just obsessed because I want it on my fingers right now. And I'm gonna make a nail look just for me using this color. So look at that. It's like champagne, like rosy goldy-ish, just a little bit. Let's swatch this. Yeah, I knew I loved this in the bottle. I knew I loved this when I opened it. I'm in love with this even more now. And this is just after one coat. Ugh, I can't wait to do a nail look with this color. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm so sorry that it's not in stock anymore, but I can see why. Look at it. It's beautiful. The camera doesn't know justice. Let me try and get it in. There we go. For 2 seconds. It was in focus for a little bit. But y'all see. Y'all see this. Yeah, I just cannot get over this color. I have an idea in mind for this, and I'm going to be doing a full start to finish press-on nail design with this color. So stay tuned and hit the subscribe button. So that's Perfect Tan, and that was one coat. Let's do one more coat. Let me stop. Y'all know how I feel about this color. So let's cure it. All right, so let's top coat this. And I'm off camera a lot of the time because I had to tip the bottle over because I'm almost out of this top coat. I've been using it non-stop, and I usually don't use the cleansing top coats, but this one is just, it's really beautiful. I mean, it's so shiny. I don't have any complaints about it. So I need another bottle. I'm probably going to try the no cleanse one, but this one is amazing. Like I said, I'm almost out. I've been using it nonstop. And look at that. So I tried to show you guys, like, get a video of the consistency of the top coat, but I've been using this so much. I'm almost out, so that didn't work. But I definitely recommend Nail Addicts. Check them out. The link is in the description box below. And I mean, that color just can't get any better. They have a bunch of new colors for summer. And again, you guys can use code Jazzie to get 45% off of your purchase. So go ahead and check them out and get some gel polishes. And I am going to be doing a full look featuring one of these colors. You already know which color it is in my next video. So be sure to subscribe and hit that like button. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.